Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Select a heavy paper, such as 300 GSM watercolor or heavier, and cut it slightly larger than your intended final canvas. Prepare a simple wooden frame from 1x 2-inch stretcher bars that matches the paper dimensions and square it tightly. Mix PVA glue 1:1 with water to thin it. Apply a thin coat to the paper to size and strengthen fibers, then let that layer dry until tacky before mounting to prevent bubbling or excessive absorption. Center the sized paper over the frame, aligning edges and marking centers, then staple at the center of one side and opposite side to set tension. Work from center to corners, pulling gently and evenly, folding each corner into a neat miter, and place staples every 1 inch along the edges to maintain uniform stretch and avoid waves. Check tension across the surface, then leave the mounted paper to relax and dry flat for 24 hours before any priming or sanding. Prime the stretched paper canvas with 3 thin coats of acrylic gesso, brushing in one direction for the first coat and the opposite for the second to build an even tooth. Let each coat dry per manufacturer instructions, then lightly sand with 220 grit sandpaper between coats to remove brush marks and achieve a smooth, consistent surface. After completing paint layers, allow the final paint to cure for at least 72 hours. Then apply a clear varnish to protect the work and improve longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.